Good morning, folks. Today it's 15th of May 2025, and I wanted to show you how bee robbing actually happens. You can see in this video one of my apps, Malifera Hive. A couple of robber bees were hovering in the early morning, and apparently the bee traffic is not normal. It's over than it is during normal days. And you can perhaps see one of the robber bee getting thrown out of the hive by the worker bees. The robber bee is of a different breed, perhaps Apis cerana indica, and you can actually see how she's getting thrown out of the hive. This is how bees got their hive. They have particular type of bees called god bees that are always hovering over the entrance of the hive. They smell their sisters through so-called pheromones, and if they find some intruder, they immediately attack and throw that intruder out of the hive.